Hello everyone, this is Shaban Osman, and actually this is PMI PBA preparation course, which is comprehensive and completeness course because it includes all you need to pass the final exam and also to understand business analysis professional. Again, my name is Shaban Osman. I have DBA degree in business process management, master degree in strategic management, diploma degree in project management from American University in Egypt. Also, I am authorized trainer from PMI. I have more than one certification from PMI. For example, I obtained my certification in project management professional from PMI in 2014. Also, I obtained my certification in risk management professional from PMI also. I have another certification in business analysis from IIB, which is CPAB, stand for Certified Business Analyst Professional. I have a certification in Project Program and Portfolio Management Office. I am active member in PMI, active member in IIBA. Also, I am a member in Egyptian Engineering Syndicate, Egyptian Society of Engineers, Federation of Arab Engineers Society. So actually, I have more than 15 years experience in a project management. Also, I have 9 years experience in consultation and training. I worked as a business development manager. Also, I worked as a senior business analyst, senior consultant, project manager, program manager for many years ago. So actually, this course will be based on our knowledge and experience. So you will have a great information about how to implement business analysis and how to pass the final exam. I conducted a training program around the world, for example, in Aramco company, for Ma'adin, for Ministry of Health in King of Saudi Arabia, in Ministry of Energy, also in Saudi Electrical Company, in Egypt, for MP company, also for more than another organizations and institutes. So in fact, PMI is a global recognized institute in project management. Also, it includes more than one another certification in different topics. For example, there are many certificates in agile discipline, in business analysis, in project management, in scheduling professional, in program management, portfolio management, in certified associate in project management. So if you have less than 3 years experience, you can get up to 5 certification from PMI. If you have up to or more than 3 years experience, you can get your certification from PMI as a PMI PBA. So one of the prerequisites to pass or to be eligible for PMI PBA exam is to have more than 3 years experience in business analysis. Fact file from PMI, which is published on the last quarter of 2023, said that more than 6,000 people obtained PMI PBA. I think this number was changed during 2024. So I think it now more than 7,000 people obtained PMI PBA around the world. So our question is, why PMI PBA certification is most important for you? Because number one, it increases your career opportunity. if you get your certification in Business Analysis Professional, PMI PBA, this is a guarantee that you have a good information to implement Business Analysis Professional in any industry, in any organization. Number two, PMI PBA increase your earnings. By increase your opportunities, it will increase your earnings and increase your salary. This according to many reports from PMI and also from IIBA institutes. PMI PBA grow your professional. So if you get your PMI PBA certification, you are likely to grow in terms of career. The next reason is PMI PBA make you get recognized. So when you obtain your PMI PBA certification, it serves as an unbiased endorsement of your professional experience as well as your expertise. Also, the last reason is PMI PBA develop your personal level. So perhaps the most important part of studying PMI PBA is to change your character, your thinking, make you more creativity thinking, increase your communication skills, increase your interpersonal skills, or maybe in general soft skills. So actually, what or who should attend this course? If you are a business analyst, senior business analyst, product owner, business owner, project manager, portfolio, program, business planner, finance, IT specialist, project planner, system analyst or process analyst, business development manager, business architecture, knowledge manager, or you are working on benchmarking department or release management. So this course is very important for you. Actually, this course will focus on pass the final exam, and in addition to that, understand the main steps for implementing business analysis in any industry, in any organization. So the question now is, what are the reference for PMI PBA? The first reference to study for PMI PBA exam is the PMI Guide to Business Analysis, which was published at 2018. The next reference is Business Analysis for Practitioner Practice Guide, 2nd edition, which was published at the last quarter of 2023. The next reference is Requirement Management Practice Guide. Also, there is a small book which is called PMI PBA Examination Content Outline. Actually, Examination Content Outline was published at 2015. So your question now is, do you think that you have to review or you have to read all of these books? The answer is no. You can focus only in our material, because our material is summarized and comprehensive material to give you the main ideas, the required information to understand business analysis and also to pass the PMI PBA exam. So now let's go for more information about PMI PBA exam. The exam includes 200 questions. All of the questions are multiple questions. The type of questions are 3 types. The first type is, which is more advanced, more difficult, and it's called scenarios questions or situation questions, where you may have a small case study or you may have a situation and you have to understand this situation to solve the questions. This may be up to 80 or 70 questions from the total exam, which will be scenarios or situation questions. The next type is straightforward questions. Straightforward, which may be up to 50 or 60 questions. These questions will be short, small, and simple questions. The remaining questions is in between straightforward and scenarios questions. The questions is start with difficult questions, then moderate difficult, then very simplified questions, which will be at the end of your exam. The exam duration is 4 hours. By the way, exam is available in online or physical module. The exam cost is $555. It includes the membership fees for PMI website. The exam includes 5 domains. The first domain is need assessment domain, and 18% from the total exam questions is from this chapter. So take care from this chapter. By the way, the name or title of this chapter was changed on the Business Analysis for Practitioner 2nd edition to be Value Assessment or Business Value Assessment instead of Need Assessment. The next domain is planning or business planning, or sometimes called stakeholder engagement. And 22% from the total exam questions is come from this chapter. The next domain is elicitation and analysis. Actually, this is the biggest and the most important chapter in our course because it includes up to 35% from the total exam questions comes from this chapter. The next domain is traceability and monitoring, which includes up to 15% from the total exam question. By the way, the feedback from our successful trainees said that there are many questions in the final exam related to traceability and monitoring, or on the other hand, related to traceability metrics. So if you see traceability metrics in any exam questions, so make sure that this may be the most correct answer for this specific question. The last domain is solution evaluation. This is very simplified domain, and also it includes up to 10% only from the total exam questions. So if you would like to prioritize this domain according to its importance, so number 1 is elicitation and analysis, number 2 is planning or stakeholder engagement, number 3 is need assessment, number 4 is traceability and monitoring, number 5 is solution evaluation. You can take this exam up to 3 times. First time cost is $555. Next try will be $270. The third one will be $270. The pass score is from 60 to 65%. From 60 to 65%. This is an expectation, not accurate information. Okay, so if you would like to pass PMI PBA exam, so take care from this updated study plan. The updated study plan divided studying journey into 3 stages. The first stage is starting by printing our material. Then you can listen to our explanation videos, review material when you listen to our videos, solve quizzes. We have a complete quiz for each chapter, for each domain. So you can takes this quiz more than one time, then you can submit your application after you complete all the videos, all the quizzes and practice tests at the end of our course. Then you can get your certification or your attendance certification from Udemy. After you getting your attending certification, you can submit your application. Also, you will find an explanation for how to complete and write your PBA application. The next stage is solve additional practice from additional courses, which is called PMI PBA question by chapter and PMI PBA simulation exams. All of these courses were published on Udemy platform. After you solving these additional courses, you can review your mistakes. Take care, you have to review your mistakes for each questions to improve your level and get a feedback, also to write your notes and lessons learned. Then you can repeat listening the session again, maybe in rapid mode. Then you can pay for the PMI PBA exam. By the way, PMI PBA application is for free. Without any fees. And, in addition to that, you can pay for a PMI member before the exam, because this will give you a discount for PMI PBA exam fees. The last stage is review our summary, review our keywords PDF. Also, you can listen to our PBA bootcamp or PBA keywords explanation. Then you can resolve the question bank again. Then take the PBA final exam, and congratulations. In fact, this was a summary about our PMI PBA introduction. So thank you so much for listening to me, and see you on the next session, which will be the first chapter for our course, Business Analysis Introduction. Thank you so much, and see you.